Symptoms of a bad car battery. Ever turn the key in your ignition and nothing happens? Or maybe your engine cranks like it just woke up from a nap. Your headlights are dim, or you're reaching for the jumper cables more often than your morning coffee. These are classic signs that your car battery might be on its last legs. Let's break down the most common symptoms of a failing battery, so you know what to watch out for, and hopefully avoid getting stranded.
1. Slow engine crank. When you start your car, the engine should turn over relatively quickly and smoothly. But if it feels sluggish, like it's struggling to wake up, that's a red flag. A slow crank usually means the battery doesn't have enough power left to do its job efficiently. This is often one of the earliest signs of battery trouble. 2. Clicking sound when turning the key. You turn the key or push the start button and hear a fast clicking noise? That sound is your car trying to tell you something. It means the battery doesn't have enough power to start the engine. The clicking comes from the starter motor attempting to engage, but failing due to insufficient current. 3. Dim headlights and electrical issues. A weak battery can't supply enough power to your vehicle's electrical system. One of the first things you'll notice might be dim headlights, especially at night. You could also see flickering interior lights, slow-moving power windows, or even a weak-sounding radio. If your car's electronics are acting weird, the battery could be to blame. 4. Dashboard warning lights. Modern cars are smart. Most will alert you to battery problems with a dashboard warning light. Sometimes it's a battery icon, other times it's the check engine light. Either way, if you see a light that won't go off, it's a good idea to test the battery before it lets you down completely. 5. Swollen battery case. This is one you'll have to look under the hood to catch. If the battery case looks swollen or bloated, that's a bad sign. It usually means the battery has overheated or been overcharged. Not only does that make the battery unreliable, but it also makes it potentially dangerous. A swollen battery should be replaced immediately. 6. Corroded battery terminals. Pop the hood and take a look at the battery terminals. If you see a chalky white, bluish, or greenish buildup, that's corrosion. It can interfere with the battery's connection and reduce its performance. While cleaning it off can help temporarily, recurring corrosion may signal a deeper issue with the battery itself. 7. Old age 3 to 5 years. Even if your battery seems to be working fine, age matters. Most car batteries have a lifespan of about 3 to 5 years. After that point, their ability to hold a charge steadily declines. If yours is approaching or past that age, especially if you live in a region with extreme temperatures, it's a good idea to start thinking about a replacement. 8. Frequent jump starts. Jump-starting your car once in a while isn't a big deal. But if you find yourself doing it more often than you'd like, it's probably because your battery can't hold a charge anymore. It might seem like it's bouncing back for now, but the reality is, it's unreliable and close to failure. 9. Car won't start after sitting for a few days. A healthy battery should hold a charge even if the car sits for a couple of days. But if your vehicle struggles to start, or won't start at all, after just sitting idle for a short while, the battery might be discharging too quickly. That's a sure sign it's nearing the end of its life. 10. Rotten egg smell. If you ever catch a strong sulfur-like smell, like rotten eggs, coming from under the hood, don't ignore it. That odor can indicate a leaking battery, which is releasing hydrogen sulfide gas. Not only is that dangerous for your car's components, it's also a clear sign of internal battery failure. Time to get a new one ASAP. Final thoughts. If you're noticing one or more of these symptoms, don't wait until you're re-stuck in a parking lot, or worse, in the middle of traffic. Most auto parts stores offer free battery testing, so it's easy to find out if your battery's still good. If it's time for a replacement, take care of it now and save yourself a headache down the road. Got a bad car battery? Watch our video, subscribe, and get it fixed fast. If this video helped you diagnose your car problems, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.